let's unbox some Concreations. What do we have in here? These aren't just the regular magnetic sliders. No. No. Oh! Yes! It's like, is that snappy, crackly? One would say clicky. I'm calling this crackly. Oh, this is a great noisy fidget. Oh, get out. This is the video for those of you who like magnetic sliders but don't want them to be silent. Get the red. What do you guys think? What does that sound like to you? To me, I'm getting like, it's like snappy, crackly, rattly. If you're looking for a fun, satisfying, noisy fidget, something you can just play with in your car, at home, just in your own space, you cannot go wrong with a magnetic slider. They're just so fun. You can still... It's just like a little noisemaker. How fun is that? And they have all different colors. So I'm gonna link these down below if you're interested. These are for the people who like a little noise. It just... Oh, I like that. It's like, it's almost staticky. Like, if you do it like in a slow circle. Wow. Yeah, I'm linking this down below. Check them out. Wait. Snap. Crackle. Pop. Concreations.